Hello. In this recording I'm going to show how to install Python and robot framework and ride in a Mac. So I start by activating my remote desktop connection to my virtual machine. Here we have I don't know why this is not important. Okay, let's go like this. I can now minimize this, and yeah, now we are having we have our system. We need to open a terminal and let's check Python, what version we have. By default it's an old Python, so I need to install a new one. Let's see if we have a brew. This is okay, not here. So I need to go and get Python to install. This is the first time I'm starting Safari in this virtual machine, so may take some time. Okay, I can now type python.org. Okay, and just some time, and install downloads. We go, and macOS, yeah, it is. And I'm not sure if I'm going to go for, let's try this one, latest Python. If there are some old libraries that may not work with Python 3.14. Okay, download. Yeah, it is. Yes, security and security and security, and of course we need to take care where we take the apps from. Okay, starting already. Let's minimize this. Okay, installing. Yeah. 3.14.3, and we just do the default. License, this is free software and licensed by Python Foundation, so of course I agree. Okay, did I? Okay. Okay, my password. Let's see what we have. Is this finished? No. Okay, Python is now installed. We can close. Yeah, let's save some space. Good. I want to see this shell, so open. This is important. Okay, process completed, so I can close now. Important, as you can see. Well, let's see if it all, works already. Okay, so I'm going to repeat the command here. Yes. See if it. No. We start a new window, new terminal window here, and I pressed the tab key several times, so it shows me which one is the Python I should. Okay, Python 3, and I can type version. Okay, and let's see if we have pip 3. Pip 3. Pip is a Python installer packager, or yes. So important is to see that is the one that we should need. So now we can use pip to see which packages are installed. Only pip itself. So we are going to need to install robot framework. Let's go install robot framework. So we type the command. Robot framework. Fairly easy. So okay. Oh, pip can be updated. Okay, so I'm going to use here my technique of copying the text and pasting. Yeah, so I use the mouse wheel to paste. On Windows systems, you use the right button. Let's upgrade pip already. Okay. It's good when the system is new, not many applications running, or I can see now I'm using the up and down arrows to select the different previous commands in the shell. So there we have robot framework. So we can see, we can of course check which version is. Yes. Oh well, we can create a hello world. Let's make. I'm gonna create a directory. Just like this. Okay, I'm gonna see the inside. Okay. No. No, I don't know the name of the app, so let's start here. text edit. Okay, here is the app I want to use. Okay, yeah, we have. So what I need, not this one, not this one. Okay. Test cases. This is a typical hello world. Oh, it corrected. Nice. Okay, so I use 4 spaces, and let's see log, and again, and hello, hello. Hello world from and I can have also an option here. And that's it. We now need to save the file, and I'm gonna save. See, got robot. Now, the type of document is a rich text format, so I'm going to see if I cannot move this window. I don't know why. No. Okay. That's a problem. That is a problem. Okay. Yes, this is a problem. This is not the correct editor, so I need to fix it, and I would use this editor. Oh, we have. Okay, okay. Aha. I'm gonna delete this. I'm used to simple editors, and I was assuming TextEdit would be the correct editor, and it is not, so so I should have go to the okay. Okay, now I have an alias. I created an alias for typically I use in every Linux machine the LL, so I created an alias, and we can see here with the history command here in the we can see that I used the command number 9. So if now I want to repeat, I will just type 9 and press the bang or exclamation mark. No, the opposite. Okay. So now when I type alias, or the alias is LL. Okay. Okay, and I can area RTF. Okay, so let's see if it runs. Robot framework, robot, no, robot. Hello. Yes, and run. Okay. And we can see the log. For example, I can type here, and as you can see here, it is the output I set to send to the console. We can open this. Let me try to open in the browser, Safari. So I would say I'll try this one. Open. Yes, it worked. Okay. Okay, doesn't look nice. Why? This is new. Well, no. Well, since I had some difficulty using the text editor, as you can see, you could see, I'm going to install my Ride editor. And this is like this robot framework. Like just like that. WX Python is the graphical framework that we use, and it's very important part, and this is the newest. And I'm not liking this because it's installing a targEZ, and this would take a lot of time to install. I was assuming that we should have DMG automatic or a wheel. So we can wait this. I think I'm going to cancel. I need to cancel because this version would need to be compiled, and so I did Control-C to cancel it. And so I'm going to try to install it, the previous version. Hopefully there is a wheel for there is already a Python and I need to set the version is equal, so this is the most used equal logical operator, and the version is 4.2.4. Yes, as you can see, we have already a wheel. It's already done, so we will use this version, and in the future when a new wheel, the WHL package exists, we will use this one. Okay, so now we can go back to install Ride. Let's see if it gets that this one is installed. Okay, installed. Let's see if it works directly like this. Yes, it did. We also have the a Ride post installer. Let's see if it. Let's see if it works. Yes. Okay. So I need to put install. And it did not. Okay. Okay. So let's start right. I use this symbol here to put in the background of the app, so the shell is free again to be used. But hopefully I will create a shortcut for ride. So okay. Yeah. Okay. Not responding too well, but okay. Since it's the first version, first time is running, and let's see if we can open the. Okay. And open this. Okay. Well, since I had problems with ride and still have some problems, I decided to redo this part of the recording. Here we have our test case, and we run it. Let's run it. So we have it selected. We can run. Just start. Okay. You can see here the hello world at the console as we planned to see. Now, one thing it was missing was the creation of the desktop shortcut. I will now create here. Go to Tools and create a right desktop shortcut. Now we quit right now, and there it is, the shortcut. We can also add it here to the applications bar. It should have no. Double click. Okay. And now I'm gonna go to the options and keep in dock. This completes the installation of Python, robot framework, and Ride.